We're going to the train station to take a train to Xi'an, where we're going to see terracotta warriors, ride some bikes, do some cool stuff, and test our will to live by carrying all of our stuff all over the city. It is pouring rain. All right, I think Justin found it. Wushu Hostel, our hotel, thanks. Oh my God, there's a puppy. Hi, baby puppy. Oh my God. I want that dog. We are in search of delicious food. And this is why good rain gear is super important. I am covered in marmot and it works beautifully. Sponsorship, baby? Marmot, hey, sponsor us. Sponsor us. This crosswalk doesn't have any markings for when we're supposed to cross. So you're supposed to just like run in front of the cars, as Justin did. But I'm like not in the mood to die today, so he's over there like, just run in front of the cars, they'll stop. And I'm like, nope. We actually found the restaurant that we were looking for. That's amazing. We have no functioning map right now. Here we go, recommended by TripAdvisor. See how this goes. And so the system is they see who is American. They hand you a menu that has English on it. They point to what you want, then you buy it. That looks so good. This meal involved like a little mini hamburger and these noodles. It's delicious. And it cost $3. That place is not kidding around. That was magnificent. Good morning from Xi'an, where we are apparently destined to get rained on. This is day 2 of rain. Tomorrow it's supposed to clear up. So for today, we're going to go try and find some terracotta warriors. Maybe it'll be super impressive. We have to take subway to a bus, and the bus will take an hour. And we're all dressed up in our rain gear again. We are on our way to the Xi'an railway station to catch the 306 tourist bus to see the Terracotta Army. Oh yeah, I see a bunch of buses over there. They're telling us to make a line here, and everyone's just sort of like shoving themselves into the line. All of those 306 buses are for us. Those all go to the same place. There's so much yelling. Wow. We'll all get there eventually, guys.
In 1974, a group of farmers happened upon some broken clay figures, which led to the unearthing of 8,000 life-size sculptured soldiers known as the Terracotta Army. More than 1 million people visit the Terracotta Army Museum every year, and it is such a unique sight to experience.
So now that we're inside, there's a bit of a walk to get to the actual terracotta warriors. There's a gorgeous view of the mountains back there, but it's kind of hard to see from here because of the clouds, but it's beautiful in here. It's lovely. I should probably put my hood on. It's really too bad we didn't hire a guide. That one's spending 10 minutes telling them about a tree. Hey look, It's the Terracotta Warriors. Aren't they impressive? Trying to wait for a space to clear in the line to look at them. There's some shoving happening. There is so much shoving. It is outrageous.
Pit 1 is the largest of 3 pits you can visit at the museum. Here there are over 2,000 soldiers on display. Craftsmen customized each face to have its own unique facial features, so it's difficult to find 2 identical soldiers, even though only 8 molds were used to create the soldiers' heads. The pit is the size of an aircraft hangar and is crowded with people. Pit 3 is the smallest of the 3 pits, displaying only 68 soldiers, most of whom are missing their heads. Archaeologists suspect vandals were responsible for that. Pit number 2 holds over 80 war chariots, 1,300 warriors and horses, as well as thousands of bronze weapons. My favorite part of the whole museum was the exhibition hall, where you can see the relics up close. The most remarkable pieces on display are 2 gorgeous bronze chariots. They managed to survive in wooden coffins for over 2,000 years without corrosion. They're crafted with incredible detail, using over 7,000 pieces between the 2 of them.
General impression of the Terracotta Warriors. They're cool. They're impressive. This is a tourist trap. You have to do it.
A major find in Chinese culture, but we kind of like more of the experiences more than the museums.
Fair enough. The exit has spit us out into this area with lots of little restaurants and coffee shops and stuff. What's on our mind? Food is on our...
Smells like
waffle cones?
waffle cone.
Oh my god, and chocolate. So we've been walking for a while now. And it's this giant village full of stuff to buy, trinkets, food, sweets. And it just keeps going and going and going. It's endless. I have no idea where we are. I'm assuming it'll spit us out somewhere logical. We see the parking lot. We're close. The sheer number of cars and buses is outrageous. The 306 bus is the bus that will go back and forth, basically directly from the Terracotta Warriors. And there were 3 of them waiting here for us, even though I think this one might be full. We'll see. It took us forever to find the place where you buy tickets. But now that we're here, they don't have an English line like Beijing did. So we're going to try and get Chinese characters for what we need and hope we actually get it. You will buy tickets.
For Xi'an to Huashan tomorrow.
This is going to work. We have train tickets. I've had enough squatty potty drama. to last me a lifetime.
What happened
The
now?
doors were this tall, and the doors were like, they had a see-through grate all the way down them. So I'm squatting and like making eye contact with the person who is squatting in front of me.